Y'all, my name is Paul Borosky, and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan. And in this video, what I'd like to do is just show y'all how to quickly and easily create your Cafe pro forma financial projections using my Cafe Business Plan financial projection or my Cafe Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the Cafe Pro Forma financial projection model, and I'll show you how to use it and how you can quickly have your pro forma financial projections all done for your Cafe in a real short amount of time. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my Cafe Pro Forma Financial Projection Model, which is an Excel spreadsheet that I created as proprietary. And I do offer it for sale on my Cafe Business Plan template. The Cafe Business Plan template comes with the Word document, which is the actual business plan, and then it comes with the Excel financial model, which is what I'm about to show you all right now. You have a separate video for the template, the Word document template, but we're focused on the Excel financial model for the Cafe in this video. So if and when you do purchase the template, and you open up the Excel sheet, it's going to have four tabs in your information page. On the information page, this is where you're going to make all your changes. In the darker colored cells, you're going to update your revenues, you're going to update your labor, your startup costs, your monthly fixed costs, and so on and so forth. You make all the changes here, and I'll cover that in just a second. But once you make the changes here, all those changes are going to immediately roll over to the projections tab, which is just a summary of your revenues, your costs, and your net profits for the next 5 years. And then also it's going to include your financial highlights as well. And then it's also going to include your profit and loss for year one. So on your profit and loss for year one, once you update your information page, your profit and loss for year one will update, and that'll be monthly as well as quarterly for the first year. And then your income statement will update as well, your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years, and that's annually. And again, it's going to be your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits. And then once you're done updating everything, you just copy and paste from the Excel sheet into your Word document. So like I said, all your changes are going to take place right here on your information page. I'm just going to start off with your daily sales. So for your cafe, what you want to do is you want to estimate the number of customers you're going to be servicing daily. In this particular model, I'm saying we're going to be servicing 90 customers daily. And then right here is where you're going to want to put your average sales price. And I'm saying average ticket for a cafe is going to be about $18. And then your variable cost as a percentage you'll put right here. And for this example, we're going with 35%. Once you set this up right here, then the calculations embedded into the model will calculate your monthly sales, your estimated monthly sales, use some growth rates to project your annual sales, and so on. The next segment is going to be your labor. Right here under salary, you're going to want to put what you expect to pay your executive team. And then underneath that, how many employees are you going to have, the hourly rate of pay you're going to pay them, and how many hours they're going to be working monthly. The next segment is going to be your startup cost. And for the first two lines, this is where you're going to put how you're going to fund your organization. So for example, in this example right here, equity investment of 50,000 with a loan amount of 150, total investment for startup costs is 200,000. Then the subsequent lines down here, this is where you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill out, and you're going to take this 200,000 and you're going to put it into different buckets just to make sure that this 200,000 equals these two lines right here. Your next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. These items right here cannot be changed, but the dollar amounts for the monthly totals can be changed, and you'll make those changes right here. The next segment is your miscellaneous information. That's just for your tax rate. And then we've got our growth rate. You're able to go ahead and adjust your growth rate for the next several years. Growth rate for year 1 all the way down through year 5. And then there's also a section right here where you can go ahead and adjust your growth rate for your expenses as well on an annual basis. And then the final section right here is going to be your loan information. Whatever dollar amount you put right here for your loan is going to immediately populate down here. Then you can change the interest rate, you can change your term, payment will be calculated for you, and the interest portion of that payment will go ahead and be populated throughout your profit and loss and income statement. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. You make these small changes and your profit and loss as well as your income statement for your cafe will be up to date, and you can do this pretty quick. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.